My name is Harun. I work in MK Industries as an assistant finance manager. My name is Adnan. I work in MK Industries as a chief financial officer. My head is hurting from pain because of my junior.
My name is Hamid. I work in MK Industries as a finance manager.
What happened to contractor payment? They are asking.
Boss, it's already in process.
Okay, do as soon as possible and report me.
Okay, boss.
I am Usama. I work in MK Industries as a bank statement updater. I can't find the checkbook 10896831. I will ask Harun, sir.
What happened, Usama?
I can't find the checkbook 10896831.
Okay, no problem, I will find it. Meet oldest person in MI Industries in account depart.
My name is Rafiq. I work in MK Industries as a cashier.
Rafiq, sir. Give me the FNF list of October.
Okay, sir.
Anybody remaining in the list?
I don't check it. I will check it.
Okay, check it. Give it in my room.
My name is Zia. I look after the issue of taxation in MK Industries.
My name is Ahmed. I work in MK Industries as a knitting bill processor. My name is Mahmood. I work in MK Industries as a yarn liability updater.
My name is Ahmed. I am an assistant accountant in MK Industries.
My name is Naveed. I am an accessories bill processor in MK Industries.
My name is Shahid. I am senior accountant in MK Industries.
And we are going for distribution of salaries. Unit 3 and Unit 2.
My name is Fasi. I am the assistant of Adnan sir in MK Industries.
Tell me, Zia, what's the problem?
Sir, I am leaving the company in a few days.
Okay, wait until I find replacement for your place.
Okay.
What happened of your computer? I tell Adnan sir about the problem of computer. What Adnan sir said, he told that he will replace the computer with a new laptop. Oh, congratulations, thanks.
Sir, I distributed the salary. All done. No sir, some people are remaining that are absent. Give them the salary tomorrow. Okay.
Adnan sir told me to take packing list from you.
Okay, I will give you that.
My name is MK. I am an assistant accountant in MK Industries, and the creator of this video. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe
Don't
to this
forget to
channel.
subscribe my channel.